Paige Hathaway is a prominent American fitness model, entrepreneur, and social media influencer known for her inspiring fitness journey and significant online presence. Born in Oklahoma, she faced a challenging childhood, moving between her grandparents' home and foster care. At 16, she left home and began her pursuit of fitness career, eventually gaining recognition in the fitness modeling industry. Hathaway's rise to fame began after she participated in a bodybuilding competition at 24 when she placed second. This sparked her passion for fitness, leading her to reach out to various fitness magazines. In 2013, she caught her big break with an invitation to a casting call for Women's Health magazine, despite initial rejections from modeling agencies. Today, she boasts over 4 million followers on Instagram and earns a seven-figure salary through endorsements, including a significant partnership with A45, an Australian fitness franchise. Her fitness philosophy emphasizes balance and self-acceptance. Hathaway promotes an 80-20 eating strategy focusing on pescatarian diet while allowing occasional indulgences. She advocates for strength training among women, challenging stereotypes that associate with lifting with masculinity. Hathaway has also been candid about her experiences with breast implants, using her platform to educate others about potential complications. Through her social media, she shares workout routines, diet tips, and motivational messages, aiming to inspire others to embrace a healthy lifestyle. Hathaway's journey reflects resilience and a commitment to empowering women in fitness, making her a relatable figure in the industry.